Mr. Hand, Mrs. Hand, can you come downstairs, please? Yes? Well, today we're going to do something a little different for breakfast. What? Today we're going to have McDonald's breakfast because I am getting sick and tired of cooking. And without Mom, then we can't really cook that much. Oh yeah, without Mom, then we can't cook. I know. So that's why we're going to have McDonald's for breakfast today. Okay. Now come on, let's get in the car. Is everybody ready? Yes, Daddy Hand. Then let's go. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? We're not here yet, Mr. Hand. We just only wait 5 minutes. Are we there yet? No! Are we there yet? No! Can I drive and then we'll be there in about a matter of seconds? Bro, are you serious? Yeah. Here, then... Fine, you can take the wheel. Wait, no! No, No, Mr. Hand, no, you're gonna cause a car crash. What is going on here? Mr. Hand, stop! No, we're gonna crash, Holy crap, a car crash. Okay, everybody out of the car. Oh, my nose is bleeding. Oh man, my head hurts. I heard everything. Whoops. There you go, good as new. Uh-oh, a flat tire. Uh-oh. Look, Dad. I'm sorry. I did not know how this car crash has been made in the first place. Mr. Hand, how dare you cause a car crash? Now we cannot go to McDonald's and get breakfast. Wow, thank you. You are grounded for 693693295562746999669996625,006,000. So then what you're about to do, Miss Michelle loves cheese, blah, blah, about years. Now come on, we're going home. Aww. Time to fix this. When they got back to the house, now go to your room now, Mr. Hand. You're grounded for all the bad things you did, and most importantly, causing the car crash. Now we cannot go to McDonald's. Looks like we're gonna have to order Burger King breakfast instead. Now go to your room. Wow! You know, I was going to tell him that we were going to go see the Mario movie this week, but I changed my mind. Let's go order Burger King breakfast. Okay.